It's all about how many players are going to be committed to defending on the night. And we've had a lot of games this year where we've had every player on the park was committed to defending. And that's when we get our best defensive efforts. Those are the games that we walk away with the shutouts. It's never going to be a night where there's 9 or 10 guys that are committed to defending that we're going to walk out with a shutout. You get exposed at the highest levels if everybody isn't working on both sides of the ball. So for me, even against Columbus, apart from those 2 goals, the level of commitment by our midfielders, our forwards, everybody to the defending side of things was superb.
We just got to be confident. You know, when we play well in there, the team seems to do well, and it obviously takes the pressure off the defenders, and it helps the attackers get better chances. And that's that's a huge part of our team. So we'll put it on ourselves, like we have the past couple of weeks, to keep the ball, not give it away, move it quickly, and create chances for our strikers so they can continue to score goals for us.
With Columbus, it was a little different. I think it was more based on set pieces. You know, they're just constantly putting balls in the box, and we had to really focus on that. With Chicago, I mean, we'll have to continue to do that, but they have some real good individuals that are crafty players, especially on the wings, and you never know what's going to happen with Blanco. He can obviously change games. So I think that we just need to stay focused and hopefully outpossess them. And if we're able to do that, that'll keep them out of the attack and hopefully create some chances for us.
Well, first of all, it's not just the 4 defenders. The entire team collectively has been working really well and working really hard as a unit, and that starts up top. Establishing the right pressure with the forwards and in the midfield, being in the right spots, and you're right. We have had a lot of success in the past few games with that, and I think as long as we stay sharp, stay focused mentally, that'll carry over in Chicago because they've got some very good attacking players. You got Blanco and then McBride, and then someone even like Nyarko, who's has a good change of pace and all that. So if we stay sharp, we'll be okay.